Chocolate. Is that good stuff? I'd say so. What do you think? Yeah. That's a happy girl.
What?
Oh,
She's just
she
sniffing.
wants to be your friend? Is that good ice cream? Yeah, that's a big spoon. Yeah.
Just the best birthday ever.
That's good, isn't it? Chocolate ice cream on a birthday. We should get you a smaller spoon. You're just blowing your way. Uh-oh. There you go, it's a little spoon. Yeah, a little spoon. Ice
Yeah,
cream.
yummy.
Ice cream. There you go, you go ahead. Just gonna use it for painting.
At least she's not on
Not what?
it. It's not dying anything.
Not yet. It may happen. Yummy. I'll help you. How's that? What do you think? Look at
Okay. If you want me to do it, I'll do it.
how are you gonna do it? What do you think? Yeah. That's good.
Oh,
That's cold,
why was
isn't
I
it?
thinking about this before?
Oh, yeah, that's gonna be on the floor soon. You got a little bit on your nose, a little something. Look at her. Yummy. Oh, it's a little cool. That's a little cool. Look at her face. Maybe chocolate wasn't the best color. What'd you think?
Why is it so cold?